The vehicle is finished in its original color of Quozel Gold. The vehicle has power windows, power door locks, and the dash is trimmed in wood and is in excellent condition. The engine is a powerful 455 4-barrel V8 with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. One thing I just love about this car is the way it drives on the highway. It's very smooth, very comfortable, and cruises right up to speed to 70, 80 miles an hour with ease. If you like that video, smash that subscribe button. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. This vehicle can be found at pmautos.com.